Sony introduces the 65-inch Sony HD TV XBR65 X850, featuring 4K Ultra HD TV technology, active 3D, and triluminous display LED backlighting, and internet connectivity for streaming entertainment. How much is the Sony HD TV XBR65 X850? The Sony HD TV XBR65 X850 4K Ultra HD TV will have a price tag of $4,499.99 once it's out in the market. Now let's have a look at some of the main positive aspects. Thanks to Sony's 4K Ultra HD TV capabilities, videos are 4 times better than ever. Clearer, sharper, and with pinpoint detail and accuracy. You're not just watching, you're actually experiencing. The one-touch mirroring feature, which lets you check out your smartphone content on the 65-inch screen, is also a great addition. Here's our conclusion. When regular HD TV just doesn't cut it anymore, it's time to step things up, and there's no better choice than the Sony HD TV XBR65 X850 4K Ultra HD TV. Thanks for checking out our review. To know more about this product, click on the link below this video now.